You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more fashion and luxury brand names, make sure to stay tuned. So the first name here is a French name, one of the founders. Baudoin is the French pronunciation. Baudoin. Baudoin. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you could say Baudoin or Baudoin. Pretty much Baudoin, you could say Baudoin. And Lange. Lange. So that's easy. Baudoin and Lange. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.